Janeth Paola Cabezas Castillo is an Ecuadorian politician and former television presenter. She was the governor of Esmeraldas Province from 2013 to 2016 and is a current member of Ecuador's National Assembly for the Citizen Revolution movement. Cabezas was elected leader of the largest political coalition in the 2021 National Assembly, the Union for Hope. Cabezas was born in Esmeraldas on 4 September 1978 and grew up in Quinand. She started a radio career when she was 15. She graduated from the University of Guayaquil in 2008 and then studied political marketing at the Universidad del Salvador in Buenos Aires, Argentina, where she graduated with a master's degree. Cabezas worked as a radio presenter for a variety of radio stations of Esmeraldas, Quito, and Guayaquil, including Radio Disney of Guayaquil. In 2007 she was seen on TV as the presenter of RTS's morning TV program. This ceased in 2009 when she was the first Afro-Ecuadorian news anchor for Ecuador TV. In 2010, she entered public administration, where she was employed in several positions until 2013. In 2013, Cabezas was appointed as the governor of the northern province of Esmeraldas by Ecuador's then-president Rafael Correa. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.